was Joe's surprise birthday party, and we're so tired. We definitely don't party anymore like when we were in our 20s, but it was so much fun. And now we're on our way to the Cafe Louis Vuitton. I've never been, and we're going to have a little lunch there. Hopefully we'll like the giraffe.
Croutons in a base, a pesto layer, potato emulsion with some black truffles and ice.
Oh my gosh, looks amazing. Thank you. Harder than it was.
Yeah. Oh, I just had one.
You got another one on. It's double
Happy
celebration.
birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday! Big 40! Oh, mention like a Louis Vuitton chocolate spread. So many people around, and we're so full. We ate so much food. What was your favorite?
Lobster rolls.
The lobster rolls were really good. I like the mashed potato too. I like the coffee. Just had a oat latte, but I kind of really needed it. And then the hazelnut cake at the end.
Chocolate Negroni.
Joe had a chocolate Negroni. I just stuck to still water and coffee. to Wally because they invited me for a teeth cleaning, and they have a subscription that you pay yearly, and then you can get unlimited dental cleanings, x-rays, and so on. And here we are. I just walked out of Wally, where I had my very first dental cleaning in the US, and yes, I'm embarrassed to admit that it's probably been over 5 years since I went to a dentist, because obviously everything is just so expensive here in the city, and I'm proud to say that I stepped up my personal dental hygiene game. So I've definitely been like pretty good when it comes to, you know, flossing and all that. But I also drink a lot of coffee. I love red wine. So there's definitely been a lot of stains on my teeth, especially down here. And it started to really bother me, especially because like I film myself a lot, I look in the camera a lot, and then every single day when I watch videos, I would just see, when I speak, you see my bottom teeth, and it would just look like yellow brownish, and I did not like to see that. So very happy with the results, and I will definitely go back because I do have a subscription now with them, and I highly recommend. It's only $250 a year, but with my link below you actually get a discount. Not only do you get unlimited dental cleanings, you also get at-home trays, so you can do at-home teeth whitening. You get unlimited x-rays, because like I had the tooth, for those who followed me on Instagram when that happened, when Liam hit me in the face with the back of his head and my crown broke off. Yep, I really wanted to see an x-ray of that tooth. So luckily all fine, but it's just so amazing to have, and now I will be going in for dental cleanings much more often. Let's cuddle a little bit.
Yeah.
I think that's a very good idea.
And then we have to brush our teeth.
We do have to brush our teeth.
Do those pulling things.
I think that was a really good idea you had. Jump up to Mama, ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Can you pass me a fork?
Oh, I want to.
There's more eggs. Okay, Mommy does one, Liam does two, okay?
Here. No, I want the blue one.
Okay, you crack it right here.
No.
Where?
No, I want to get that.
You can get up on Mama's leg. Okay, maybe crack it here. On the side, like this. Okay, cracks it open. 1 second. Together. Cracks it open. Push your hands off so it doesn't. Yeah, like that. Good job. Good morning. Liam and I are having breakfast. Joe is in Canada. I just feel like it's not normal to have events and outings every single day, and it's just been so much the past week. So I'm really excited that now it's Easter, it's Good Friday, Joe's coming back tomorrow, and we have absolutely no plans other than just hanging out as a family and like going outside, because the weather is going to be so beautiful and so warm, right? We're gonna go to the parks. Liam, should we cut your hair? No. You like long hair, right? Yeah, he just doesn't let me brush it. He doesn't let me cut it. So this is how he looks. But he's really cute, and why not? All right. I'm ready to go. This is my little fit for the weekend. Again, I don't like having shoes in the house, but I love the fingerprints on the mirror. That's my little outfit for the day. This is a cute little Lisette pointel tee. And then I just needed a hat. I couldn't find my other one, but I love this one from Sporty and Rich as well. The jacket is source unknown. Everything will be linked below. The denim is Anine Bing, and then obviously my Adidas Sambas that also have a little bit of the burgundy with the butter yellow. We are home. We were at the playground and I also stopped on the way and picked up my other bowl. So this is bowl number 2. There is also bowl number 3 and 4. So this one I glazed. I don't know if you watched episode 2, but I showed which glazes I used and it actually turned out pretty amazing. Like, I really love how it looks. This is kind of what I was hoping for it to look like. So very happy with the result. Jeez, my bangs never do what I want them to do lately. Liam's watching a show while I am cooking dinner. The balloons are still up, but we lost 20 before party even started. I am making dinner and I am just making a little stew with chickpeas and kale and a little bit of curry and stuff, and made super fluffy tree-colored quinoa. Now I'm going to watch something again. I don't have a show I am currently watching, but Liam finally went down. It actually went so quickly because we were at the playground all day long and he did not have a nap whatsoever. So he was definitely super tired and I hope he's gonna sleep in and sleep well. I have a few recommendations of what to watch in my phone from forever ago, but I am never home alone. Joe's usually always with me. The house is a mess, by the way, so please ignore. Let me turn off all the lights. I just didn't have a chance to clean and don't feel like it anymore right now. But tomorrow is a new day. I've kind of let go of that perfectionism, although I've also never really had it, but definitely more than I do now. So yeah, Joe is going from casino to club to casino in Niagara Falls, I think. I'm just gonna see what I can watch and call it a night because I am super tired. I feel like I say that a lot on here, but it's definitely very on brand for me. I'm like permanently tired, permanently mentally displaced, always a little chaotic, always a hot mess express, but you know, have my snacks here. This is a super delicious like ice cream, vanilla coated in chocolate, and then this is my guilty pleasure snack combo. Banana chips, these peanut butter pretzels. Obsessed. If you haven't tried, definitely do so. If you have any recommendations for me on what to watch or what series you think I would like, please let me know in the comments, and also please let me know what you would like to see more of, because I obviously have all the struggles of being a mom, being a working mom, and then also like all the super fun influencer events and life in New York City. But for some reason I always find that it's hard for me to actually turn on the camera when I feel like something super interesting is happening. I don't know, I feel like it's very mundane and very, you know, everyday moments, but for some reason I also feel like that those are the moments that are kind of soothing to watch and comforting. And yeah, just let me know what you would like to see more of. Callie's coming too, yeah, baby. That is silly. What are you eating?
Thank you.
Did you make them? Yeah, you did. You helped me. What's inside? What did we put in?
Banana.
And then we cracked in one egg. And we added some cinnamon, some flour, some oats. And what's in here?
Coffee.
No, that's your coffee. And what was this?
My chocolate.
Your chocolate Easter egg. Wow, wow. Cheers, I love you. It is Easter. Happy Easter. We honestly didn't do much. Joe has been baking a lot because it's Sunday and he just came back from Canada yesterday, so he was super tired. He was just playing on the floor. House is gorgeous. And then we went to Rhythm Zero this morning for an Easter egg hunt, which is super cute. And we're meeting our friends Ella and James for brunch soon, so that's it.